and
He's coming.
play some creative.
He's coming.
Friends.
Hey bro, just wait. Come.
07.
Come.
We-
Don't start now.
I'm gonna no scope everybody.
So let's jump right into it.
Hi-Fi asked Penneth, I'm good at no scoping.
You're not that bad, but still, I can defeat you sometimes. You can defeat me sometimes.
Oh, Hi-Fi, how's it going, brother?
All of you have to come out, no camp.
Everybody has to come out. No camping. Hey, Sean, you're the person who camps a lot.
Man, created there's no glitches.
But you can use the moving thing.
Bro, don't use this all nonsense, bro. Don't use this. You can only jump. This is so irritating. You can't even trick shot properly with this.
Man, who's aiming at me only?
I'm not aiming. Okay, Hyper no scope me. Because I was banned. This Hyper was coming close to us.
Man, Hi-Fi. Where's Hi-Fi, bro? I cannot see him.
I can see.
You are all aiming for me, I know, because I'm good at no
I'm not
scoping, so
aiming
you're
for
aiming
you,
for
bro.
me.
I didn't say you're very good in no scope.
I defeated Sai a lot of times, still like a lot.
Bro, stop using this nonsense, bro. If you use this, I'm not playing. Stop using this nonsense. If you guys use it, I'm good. Bro, stop this all nonsense.
This is the map.
Bro,
We
this is
can
not
jump!
good, bro. You can jump, but I didn't. You're glitching like anything I saw.
Who? I am not even glitching.
Oh my god, why am I bad at no scoping? Wait, bro, I told you to stand still, Hi-Fi. My controller was jammed. I could only shoot, I couldn't jump or do anything. Oh, bro, hey bro, I said no camping. Stop camping, bro. You're camping every time.
Even you are.
But my sniping was good, right?
No, not that good. Bro, stop grappling.
You can
Oh yeah, you can grapple
I'm-
out, but not that much. Oh, I missed
Okay,
it.
they're going on top. That's smart.
Oh.
That's smart.
Hey bro, this is cheating. You can't snipe. You can't camping. You just get camping so
That's not
much.
camping. That's it.
He is camping. Can't you see you bot?
Okay, now you also go there. If
Yeah, we can come up like that.
you can't.
That is not
Bro, but
camping.
still.
Man, what still, man?
I know. I think.
It's
I
not
think.
Bro, I know.
We both will stay together.
Oh. Yeah, we both.
Don't
together.
Hi-Fi.
Okay.
Hi-Fi, stay with me. Don't shoot anybody.
No.
I'm going to no
Bro,
scope
this guy's
this one.
cheating. This guy, I was just grappling. You can't grapple like and you are shooting at different people.
Hey, aim for Hi-Fi.
Yeah, we aim for him. I know where is that ball.
This
Come here.
Right,
Come
you're-
quick.
God,
Hi-Fi, stay in one place. Hey, got him. Let's go. Quick.
Let's go there. Let's go there.
He's here.
Hey, did you see my sniping?
Bro, this guy was here. This guy's hacking.
Who?
This is Hi-Fi. Who else? Who else am I talking about?
Okay. I know how to make you go up there.
I pushed him. Me and you. Pranit, me and you here. Don't let Hi-Fi.
That's it. If you can.
Bro, this Hi-Fi, what is weird? What are you doing, bro? What the heck?
Pranit.
Come with me. Bro.
Oh!
Hi-Fi, stand still.
Bro, I'm not standing still. Dude, I'm finding that bot.
I'll make you go up there.
No, why are you sniping
What the
me?
hell? I thought that was Hi-Fi. Seriously,
That was
Hi-Fi, you're
me.
irritating. Sorry.
I'll make you go up there in no time. Best grappler is
Wait, I think that.
Where's sci-fi? Where's sci-fi?
Hey, bro, this guy, he's taking a heavy sniper rifle and sniping me.
Oh,
I can see hi-fi.
that is me. Don't kill me.
I'm not. Oh, I can see he's below, bro. Oh, he just missed him.
Bro, am I good at sniping?
Don't ask me, bro. I'm very bad.
What?
Bro, I'm also very bad. I'm bad in no scoping. Bro, why is sniping me? Oh,
That is the hi-fi. This hi-fi.
Bro, hi.
You know, I'm going top.
I am to going, bro. This bot telling me. Hey! Bro, this guy knows how to get no scoping, bro. My Xbox control is so bad for no scoping.
Where's hi-fi?
I showed how to go up there. No, that's sniper Sean.
I know, right?
Don't kill me,
This guy's
though.
with me. This guy's with me.
Bro, this is hi-fi in the middle of...
I showed how to go up there.
Eliminated him.
No, actually.
Oh, he's
Don't
here.
kill
He's
me,
coming
bro.
here. This guy is here. No, he's not here.
Hi-fi?
He's there. Oh!
Got him.
Nice one.
Now
Wait, I think he's coming up here. He's not coming.
Please, I'll show you how to grapple up.
I don't want to. Shut up.
All of you
Bro, why you sniped me? You
get clapped.
Oh, I thought it was hi-fi, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I thought it was hi-fi.
You're
Sorry, bro.
lying. Bro, I knew.
No, bro. I don't know, bro. I am not telling lie.
Please listen to me.
Where's hi-fi?
He's coming over here with me. No, he's not there.
Hi-fi? Hi-fi? Come here, buddy. Can you snipe me?
He's sniping me.
Yo,
He's below
please.
you. He's below you.
Yes? What do you mean?
Oh,
What do you mean?
bro, I'm just making a hole in my shirt.
Hey, Fresh, he's also good at sniping.
Bro,
I got 14
you guys
kills.
sniped me. Bro, I'm taking a heavy sniper. I forgot.
Okay, stop. Bro, I am sure don't aim for this guy. This hi-fi. Yo, why did you snipe me?
By mistake.
Oh. Oh, sorry. Please. I'm aiming for you now.
I freaked out a lot. I'm not lying. I freaked out. Bye. Don't shoot me.
Stop. You better stop.
Don't shoot me. You shot me also. I got 50 damage. Hi, Sniper Sean. I can see him. He's coming here.
Don't kill me, Pranit.
Dude, go back in here.
Pranit, you are a liar.
No teaming up.
You are the biggest liar in the entire world.
Boy. Oh boy.
Bro, how are you so
Bye.
fat?
Okay, I'm sorry. But still, I'm better.
You are happy. I'm killing you. You're dying.
Why are you grapplering so much, bro? This is getting out of control, grappler. No, I'm taking a heavy sniper. Oh! You idiot! Stop this irritating. Big ass idiot. Go ahead. Devil aim on hi-fi. He's below me. Oh, you sniped him. Good boy.
Best mate.
That's his best mate.
It is coming.
Good. Hi-fi. Hi-fi just spawned next to me.
Oh god, why did you have to move so much? Okay, let's be best mates.
Fail. Oh, bro, why did he jump out? Oh, headshot.
I'm not aiming for you.
Wait, don't do that. Hi-fi. Bro, my sniping is not that bad.
Sniping you.
Just snipe and murder you. You sniped me.
Yes, this is what you needed for sniping me.
Wait till I snipe you now.
Oh, Pranit. Where's King of Pros? Oh, what's up, brother? Shamdi Kuku?
What the hell?
No. You just shot randomly.
He didn't come here.
Pranit, stop. I am not aiming for you.
Bro, this guy's here. This guy's here. Oh, I'm a god in no scoping. You killed us and or you get spawned with me. Bro, there's a person. Can't snipe me. You can see hi-fi over a grappler. Bro, he's coming towards you. Put your big ass butt out.
He's coming for me?
Yeah, of course. That's why. Can't you see grappler? Look up, look up, look up. Grab. Wait,
Sorry, brother, I'm not coming. Don't shoot me, bro. Don't shoot me.
Bro. Okay, fine. I won't shoot. Let me calm down, you baby. What the heck? So hard to snipe you guys. Oh, bro, this guy's gliding towards me.
Jenna, who came?
Near. Ah, bro, I'm leaving after 5 minutes. This is so boring. This is so interesting.
Pranit, don't even shoot at me.
I didn't shoot at you, stand.
Where are you?
Oh man,
I
I'm missing like
No, you are not doing that. You are not doing that.
I didn't snipe. I didn't die. Hey, why you sniped me? You feel
You are sniping me? You are sniping me?
Listen.
Why I want to snipe you? Any problem?
Yeah.
Wait, bro.
Let's emote and a bad the door is shut.
Are you sniping for me?
I'm sniping Hyper, you bot. Oi.
Heavy sniper.
Bro, you are sniping me, bro. I didn't snipe you now.
You sniped me a lot of times.
I didn't snipe you at all.
Where is... Okay, this time.
I can see sniper shot is gonna be spawning here.
Where are you sniping? Hey, where are you, huh?
I'm not here or anywhere. I'm below you.
Above you.
Wait, high fives over.
Oh yeah, you think for that?
Oh,
Well, I'm gonna see.
what the heck?
Come on.
I think you're
Come
a
on,
bit
come on,
below
kid.
me.
No! Pranit, please.
Hey,
You snipe.
Okay, now it's
Kunde. Oh, I didn't spawn with you again. I know where I am. I wanna just.
Now I'm in the lead.
You're not in any lead or something. You're not in the leaderboard. Hey!
My time is over.
Oh, I didn't spawn with him.
I am good at no scoping, bro.
You didn't spawn with me.
I got 13 kills. I am defeating you. Oh,
I
hi.
have 18 kills, you bot.
What did you call me?
I I'm 18 kills in 80. What am I?
You called me a bot?
No, I called you a baby. Bro, kill high five. Bro, this guy is the person. Hee-haw.
Where are you coming from?
The heck, this spawn killed everybody over this spawning. If you snipe and murder you.
I am killing everybody.
Oh yes, I have 19 kills. If you wanna know.
I have 16 kills right now. You both
Oh,
of
there are 2 people around me. Hey! Why? You have 12 eliminate after I'm going.
No! Now you're killing me, huh? Now are you killing me, huh?
Go kill.
Bot.
Enjoy.
You call me a bot.
Please remember.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe and
Wait, I'm 1 minute. I'm calling.
you guys next time. Bye.